you guys can hear me good. We're obviously in a restaurant. We're in a place called Bar Taco today for a little late afternoon lunch, and yeah, just check out what's happening here.
How are we supposed to take this and put it into this? Like,
this chip is the size of my face, for real. But they look good. But never have I gotten chips, and they look like this. So.
Is that how you do it? I don't even know. I've never seen nothing like this before. I'm missing. I wonder if I'm missing the point.
It's gonna be an exciting day.
There we are. That is today's challenge. 3 tacos each. A little bit of chorizo. We got some pork. We got some shrimp.
I got a duck one.
A duck.
Yep.
Quack quack.
What?
Quack quack. Hello everybody at Brews Life.
Hey guys.
And we are doing another one. We're in Hyde Park. And I'm still settling after those tacos.
Yeah, we just had Bar Taco, which is like A++, plus a lot
Super
more
good.
pluses.
In fact, I think that they were the best tacos I think I may have ever had.
Wow.
Ever. That's 33 years of taco eating.
It's a lot of years of taco time, so.
The best.
That's good reviews.
So if you're in the Tampa area and you want some great tacos, Bar Taco in Hyde Park,
check them out.
they got you covered.
Yeah.
And it's like really cool. There's no like waiter system.
Yeah.
You just do everything on your phone. You don't even check out. There's no receipts. It's paperless. It's very simple, very sweet, and like, I don't know. It's got like this really cool vibe.
It's a neat setup. There's
Yeah.
all these like baskets on the ceiling, and the baskets are the lights, and it's a lot of wood, and just the vibe is really cool. So.
Speaking of vibe being really cool, we got some amazing olive oil at one of our favorite olive oil places. It's not even an olive oil place. They just sell olive
Big
oil.
and Julep Gourmet Tampa,
Yeah,
which
super
is
good.
behind Bar Taco.
And so we're gonna spend the day in Hyde Park, and then we're gonna walk a little bit and adventure some places outside. Maybe play a couple games.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a very different, kind of chill, vibing down video.
Yeah.
After all those hikes, we sort of just are resetting a little bit.
Switch it over a little.
So, yeah, we're gonna just go hang out. You guys are welcome to hang out with us if you see us or whatever. I don't even know. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep walking. So, have fun, guys.
They said it. They said dreams do come true. That's because a cupcake ATM has to be the thing that dreams are made of. Like, I don't know who thought of that, but it's genius. And it's really hard to resist, so I'm going to walk away. But cupcake ATM is like...
So we're going to head back to the car so we can drop off our bottles of olive oil so we don't have to give her a long walk. How far of a walk do you think we're going to do?
I think you said it's about 2 miles. Is that right?
Yeah, it's about 2 miles, so like 45 minutes. We should see some really cool Tampa sights.
Yeah.
And I'm really excited to show you guys around our area. And in case you've never been here before, it's pretty nice. It's like this nice mix of tropical and beachy and downtown life. We're lost in the parking garage.
I know, we're not.
Happens every time. Every video we get lost.
We're not lost.
Yes, we are.
that's just because we don't live down here, but I was like, oh, it looks like New York. Traffic everywhere. Tunnels. Lots of red lights from traffic being stopped.
You want to go to the game?
Never been to one.
Let's go. Just kidding.
Just kidding.
Looks like we got our stuff. We're on lane number 1, and she's got her shoes. Uh-oh. 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 She's excited to lose. Just kidding. Is this our lane? Oh my gosh.
I guess we can put our stuff here.
This is cool.
Stretches. Stretch the arms. Squat. Just kidding. Could be it good or could not. Oh, close. Whoa, so close. Last round, no pressure. Here we go. Not bad.
Here we go.
That was good. There we go.
All right.
So I'm pretty sure this is the same guy that did like the little arcade mural. We were like, how was it? PlayStation? Xbox?
It was PlayStation.
PlayStation.
And you know
I like
what?
how it looks like PlayStation, kind of like, right?
Oh,
Is
it
that
does. Yeah, it does
PlayStation?
look a little like PlayStation.
Okay,
Like there's like
controller.
a triangle button and an X button and then
That was in St. Pete when we did the mural video. Adam Fu?
I think it might have been him. I'll go ahead and toggle back to that. It
Pretty
looks
cool.
like it. It looks pretty awesome.
Same style.
Yeah.
It
Sweet.
even drips on the ground.
Oh yeah, the drips. That's a cool little detail.
It's a good touch.
Yeah. Okay, lovely.
What's up?
You wanted to get an Uber, didn't you?
I did, but it's all right. We're doing a walk back that's a little different, so we'll give it a shot.
She's mad at me because
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I was just tired. It's fine. Now that I'm standing up again, I'm good. So it was just like I was sitting and I didn't have energy because I was relaxed, but I'm good.
All right, so now
On
we're gonna do the river walk back.
Yeah, we're gonna check out the Riverwalk, see what it's like. It's pretty, like
And
a
it's
little
like the
bit
best time of the
cooler.
day because it's cooler
Yeah, it's
and then
not
the
hot,
sun's going
so-
down. So it'll look really cool. Look at that. When I expose the sky right, everything looks beautiful. We're gonna follow you, lovely, okay?
Steven Sparkman, which I'm assuming is
Steven
part of what
Sparkman.
Sparkman's Wharf is named after. So it's pretty cool.
What happened to his body? Well, look at this place. Yeah,
Light vibes.
for sure.
It's probably for this paddleboard. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's lit. Just kidding. We're still tired, but it's pretty.
Oh look,
What?
the Pearl.
That lost pearl. Pirate ship number 2 of the day. Where are we?
I don't know. I think she found something she wanted to
It
do.
says Riverwalk Boating Company. Yeah, Riverwalk Boating Company.
That's what
Something
you want to do?
look back at. These are pretty cool. Look at these little bitty boats. Little bitty boats. Not the big ones, the little ones. Those are more our speed.
You want one of the green ones?
Yeah, the green ones are cute.
And then I'll want that red one right there. That's the one I want. That's the one Sarah wants. Or do you think Sarah should have that pink one? I said, or should Sarah have that pink one?
Hey. Just because I'm a girl, I have to have the pink one. What is this, the dude video again?
It looks like we're in Las Vegas.
Yeah, where are we? Like, I really am not sure. There's like a bistro bar over there.
Yeah, it looks pretty sweet.
Oh, American Social. I've heard of that before. It's supposed to be good.
Let
I
me
don't
go
think
ahead
that's the
and-
main one,
I'm gonna
though.
look and see where the hell we are. Come over here, Burzy, and then we gotta go. So we just got a notification that we reached 5 miles together. Sorry. and another great thing, I think we arrived at the United Nations.
However, we do have a long trek back.
We should probably get going. But look at this place, isn't it amazing?
No. What?
Tampa has a convention center.
Yeah, I didn't even know that's what this is. So, it's not the United Nations, but it's the convention center.
Look at that.
It's nice. I didn't even know it existed.
It's huge. So we're back at our starting destination in Hyde Park after such that very long walk back, and we're about to be back in the car. We're gonna get home, we're gonna have some dinner, we're gonna relax, stop walking for just a few, and let our stamina rise and get back to a normal amount. And it's been a pretty amazing day, and we're glad to be able to film it and show you a side of Tampa that maybe you may not have seen before. Yeah. Oh, look at the lightning. Yeah, no, she's right though, because normally, you know, that's the thing, and that's why it's cool sometimes to walk, because if you're driving, you're just being from point A to point B, and you're just taking the simple, quick, easy, convenient route. But when you get out of your vehicle and you start walking, sometimes you start noticing the little tiny details, and sometimes those details are really awesome. And today, we got to see more of Tampa than we normally did. But anyways, we want to say thank you for joining us. The train's here, we got to hop on and get to our next location. The home. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in this week. Please subscribe. We'll see you next week here on Bird's Life for another amazing weekly adventure. Oh, there's something we got to say. There's a little bit of change. There's going to be a change to our releasing schedule.
The routine is going to be switching.
We will no longer be uploading every Monday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will now be uploading
Fridays at the same time. Still 9 a.m. but the train's happy about it.
No, we gotta hurry up. Our train is gonna leave us.
Fridays at 9, guys, is going to be our new release date. So make sure you're marking your calendars that it's not Monday, but Friday. Tune in at 9 every week.
So we'll see you at 9 o'clock every Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Don't miss it. That's when our adventure begins. And we will see you guys in the next adventure on the Quick Hit the Train. Hurry up.